Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make an infinity pool in SketchUp. So basically, we are going to start with the basic. First, we create a base. A normal pool size of a small pool is around 6 meters by 4 meters. So we are going to put that number. So 6,000 by 4,000. So this is basically 6 meters by 4 meters. After that, we make the safety wall by making an offset of 100 mm, let's say 150. So that means it is one brick thick. And a normal pool size that does not require a license is of 4 feet, which is 1200 mm. So we make the height of 1200, and on one side we will give. So the base of the pool is actually now ready. And now we are going to do, let's say you have a view from this side and this side. So what we will do is, okay, so basically the main part of an infinity pool is actually its edges. So what we have to do to make an infinity pool is simply offset this edge by around 300 or 200 mm. And then what you have to do is you have to make a line right from here to here. Basically, what we have to do is we basically have to make a simple slope that replicates as a infinity pool. So after doing that, you basically make a line over here, and you deselect the surfaces, okay, which is right over here. And now we make a line which is right over here. We remove the excess part. Here it is done. We make it right over here also. So this is separated, and we will separate this also. So basically you have to separate is this much area, and thus simply delete this line and make a sloping line like this. And the surface that you get over here, you simply push pull that surface like this, and you make the same curve right over here also. It is not made. You simply make a curve right over here also. And when you get a sloping a chamfered edge like this actually makes up your infinity pool. So after doing this, you simply go to material, and this is in group actually. So just make one more cuboid right over here, and make that also a group, and go inside that and rise that level right now till 1000, and close it. In materials you go, and under the material section you select a water kind of a thing. You can also select glass. Right now water I have not imported, but we can have this sky reflection that actually looks like water somehow. We can edit this a bit. We don't need components. We'll make this bigger, and we'll make this a little darker, and opacity will increase, and we'll try to make this like water a little bit. Okay. So after doing this, what we will do is simply we will pull it till 1200, and only this much edge we will move towards the chamfered edge. You simply lock the axis and simply move that edge towards the infinity pool. So when you see it from here, you get to see your infinity pool. After completing the main purpose of the infinity pool, we will start with our stairs. So I am going to make a full stair which is right from here. So which is very simple. You simply just make a rectangle of 6,000 by 300, which is the step of the riser, and simply pull it by 150. You simply make it over here by 250. You bring it up and you pull down till 150. And the same way you copy that by plus sign and just write it is 1200, so we will require 6. So simply put 6. We again press on move, press enter, do this and write 6x, enter. It will simply copy your stairs till 6 units. It is very simple way of copying multiple things. And this is way now the pool actually looks small. So what we are going to do is we are going to shift this edge. It was 6 meters, we are going to make it more 6 meters, which is going to be 12 meters. So now actually the thing looks really nice and realistic. This also we will pull by 6000. And this is how we make a nice infinity pool in SketchUp. The main thing of the infinity pool is this chamfered edge and the nice big stairs. Actually, the big stairs give it a more richer look. So so this is how you make an infinity pool in SketchUp. So if you liked the video, then you can share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.